Hello everyone and welcome to my new price analysis and technical discussion on Cardano for 20th March 2023. Scrembo here, your host. Today we're gonna take care about the most important thing as usually from the charting side. So what's happening basically on the coin market cap in terms of the whole global crypto market cap, which is benefiting significantly from the banking system economical issues. We have a whole lot of the things happening, and those things can be discovered in the news sector. We're not gonna represent them here as we would spend an hour just talking about what has happened in the past 24 hours in the banking system. Yet there is an increase over the last day of 2.23% for the global crypto market cap, representing a $1.18 trillion. Therefore, Cardano is ranked number 7. Without too much of an increase for the past 7 days. I mean, take a look at Cardano. It is almost 2%, and BTC is 26. That is 13 times more increase in the BTC than Cardano in the past 7 days. Well, if you ask me, that is huge, guys. That is significant. But this is also telling me that we're actually entering right now in a cycle where BTC is gathering the resources. Then it will flow through the altcoins as usually, which is why we have the huge difference between Bitcoin and Ethereum, due to the fact that BTC is the gateway through the crypto market. Let's find out more about the price analysis and technicals. Now, before we take a look at the main YouTube channel, for those of you interested in AI trading, bot trading with ChatGPT that we have, there's videos on my main YouTube channel with live trading, with my performance and all that stuff that you can discover and find out more. As well, we have our report that you can take a look at as well. This is at scrembocoaching.com/bot. By the way, links can be discovered in the description area and comments area. If you would like to join our bot trading movement with ChatGPT and be part of it, there are 2 options. Option number 1, without any prior fee, only commission from pure profit achieved, where we perform the trading for you through API permission. And then option number 2 is based on the monthly fixed fee, where you execute the signals and handle the whole process for yourself. Now, we also have the representation of our weekly performance since we have started, and the way it works, it's all mentioned on this page. Bottom right corner, how you can join, and all those details, including the one-on-one coaching, but I usually talk about these things at the end, basically. So let's discover what's happening with our Cardano here. 15-minute candlesticks, folks. A great moment, a great representation, which we would like to talk about in the next minutes. Well, as I mentioned, around 14th to 15th, we had a major liquidity building, around 35, 6, 36, 37 cents per Cardano, which generated a downtrending resistance line, and this is the green one that you see over there, building so far a 3-touch confirmation on the resistance, which, as BTC looks like, it will break out for Cardano, which is quite interesting, our association with BTC. Well, we must do it, because if we would like the altcoins to skyrocket, we need Bitcoin to be with us. We cannot have a bearish Bitcoin with the expectation of going Cardano upside. It's not happening, and it will never happen for the long term. However, what is significant here and what must be considered is that this specific green line is not needed, yet I must continue with the other one. So eventually, what we have done is 3-pole resistance touch here. This is the starting point. This is the connection. First confirmation, second confirmation already appears on the trending line, which is an aggressive mark. At a time you are able to break a so-called aggressive mark, the volume is going to be at least triple times more than in a traditional breakout. So the only thing is needed here to get out of this green line at some point, and the target will be the top, the gray line here, which will actually represent the total liquidity taken from the rectangle we have, which has been built on 14th of March. That will be the structure and events in a high probability. Now, in order to get there, there is another discussion. Yet in the meantime, what has been happening on the lower side is just very strong reaction on the reverse golden pocket in between the two yellow lines. That's a very strong reaction of support. And then you also have the green line helping you, have the orange line helping you too. So whatever decrease we might get, there is a foundation area set for Cardano ready to skyrocket. That's something to consider, which backs up the bulls these days. Meanwhile, for the upper side, well, it's just that resistance line, and obviously we could establish a zone somewhere around 35.5, so 35.5 cents, around that range. There could be a resistance zone established, but that will not set us too many difficulties in order to break out due to volume comes lower of the selling pressure, which will be with the trending line. So that's all for today, guys. A quite quick, straightforward technicals for Cardano, another update for 20th of March. We're looking for discovering more as times goes on, and obviously tomorrow and the other days. So make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and for those of you interested to change the results of your performance, you need to work on the source. You cannot change the results without working on the source. So in order to identify that, I'd like to tell you that we must run a reverse engineering, which explains us the fact that the actions are generated by something, usually our brain. Therefore, we need to work on our skills, on our mindset and mentality, education in order to change the results of our performance and activity. For those of you which are interested in one-on-one education live with me between 4 to 6 weeks on a private coaching program, make sure to check out scrembocoaching.com. I do this out of passion. You see that I have videos on YouTube where I trade on hundreds of thousands of dollars. Since 2014, we're performing professional trading. This is the page explaining and describing how does it work. If you want more information, you can hop up on a call with me. If you're serious about it, we can do that 15 minutes free conversation. You can register now on this button for more information and watch this video to get more information on the page. All the links to everything, to our bot trading, to our Scrembo coaching can be discovered in the description area of this video or comments area. So right below, you got all the links needed. That's pretty much all, guys. Have a good time, or talk to you soon.